We are now driving by the industrial district by Louisville, and the macaroni factory is going to be gone soon. So we're going to record that. This is a documentary we're going to put in a time capsule, and it'll be released in about the year 2069, because it sounds sexy as fuck. And here we are, we're coming up on it. Oh, I barely missed the train tracks today. They came down, I saw the train from that way. I was like, I'm gonna make it, woo! It's kind of a rush. I was like, this is fun. And this is the driver. What? Driver, take me to the Hamptons. I gotta go eat beef Wellington with Earl of Sandwich.
Sounds good.
Yes. Mickey D's, Mickey D's, Mickey D's. Okay, am I done now?